Hey, would you check out that really cool picture that Dog Patch made for Curly and his sidekick there? This kind of a quick video coming up here, but it's some important information, I think. I wanted to share that picture with you because Curly thinks he looks magnificent in it. And here's some information I want you guys to have. Yeah, I know it's winter. It's winter. But I know you also have to be thinking to yourself, I'm ready to go camping. I'd like to go camping. So there's some things that have to happen. Oh no, I'm not going to tell you how to de-winterize your camper. I'm not going to tell you that kind of thing. But if you want to go camping and you don't have a camper, well, what are you going to do? Because spring will be upon us in just a short couple of months. So let's take a walk to the camper ranch, shall we? Let me show you what I have available that I can have you out camping in just a couple of months. I've got this 1970 New Way, and really I've just been using it for parts. This is one of those ones that I can make anything out of. Whatever the shape is. If you want it to look like the Aloha or the Comet, I can. Because I kept the templates for that. It's a 15-footer. It's a very nice camper, but none of that matters because we're going to make something new out of it if you so desire. Right here, though, right here, this is a fan favorite. This is a 13-foot Scotty. 13-foot Scotty does not have a potty, but it can have whatever size bed that you want. And it has a kitchen. It's got the front dinette. And yes, I do have a brand new door for it. I already had the door made, so that's why there's no door in there. And this is the one you remember that Nikki brought us. So none of this matters because it's all coming out. But, you know, even the wheel wells are nice. And it's got the little drop down here. So this can go right back to original, or maybe we can make it just the way you want it. Well, there's the giveaway. It's got wings. It's a Shasta Compact. I think this is a 1970. But if you want, you can make it look like my camper. We can make it look like a 1962 or 63 if you so desire. Windows are all good on this one, which is really nice when you've got these Jalassies. Now this one is a front kitchen. Now you know that it doesn't matter what it looks like on the inside. Let me try to force my way in here because I don't particularly like all of this stuff because we make it look so much better. So we're not even worried about that. But the cool thing is it has a potty closet, front kitchen. You do give up the dinette, but then you could get up to a 54-inch bed in here. You could do 48 if you wanted. You could do 54. And you'll have your potty closet. And you'll have right there for more storage. And now they actually did have a king-size version. And that's why there's no, over here, a cabinet. There's an upper cabinet, but no lower cabinet. So there was a way that they did that. We're not probably going to do that, but I can put a full-size bed in here if you so desire. Okay. Cool camper. And there, hey, look at that. 15-foot Scotty with a potty. I think this is a 1965 Scotty with the potty, and that's the dead giveaway right there. And this is a nice camper. This is that trade-in that we took. It's just, the fellow that traded in, he didn't want to make the extra trip out here again, so he just took the Aloha home with him. Yep. It's nice. It really is nice. It's not nice enough, in my opinion. Now, some of you may think different. Oh, Rob, I'd just paint that up and, and I'd just do this and that, but somebody already did that. So I can tell you what's under there isn't what you want to be under there. But obviously we've got the dinette here, and of course everything will be new. It'll be new. Don't you worry about that. And then they made the potty door quite a bit smaller. But that rounded potty, it's difficult to make. It can be done. I've done it. Oh, boy. But this is the pretty good layout right here. Now, back here, it's just a 48-inch bed. But now that doesn't mean that we can't take this out, make this a little bit smaller, and put a 54-inch bed here. We've done that in the past. So you can have a 54-inch bed if you so desire, and you can still have your Scotty kitchen, your Scotty potty. You know, a lot of times we put the refrigerator, a bigger refrigerator right there. And if you so desired, we could put, where would we put the AC? I think we do put the AC down here. Put the refrigerator here. Yeah. And then we keep the dinette as is. Windows look great. Those are always cool. I think those have seen their better day. But this is the one that is becoming so desirable now because of the potty closet. So if... Uh-oh. Get shut there, boy. There you go. That door is just fine. Surprisingly. Oh, yeah, they changed that out. So somebody's really been in on this once already. But that's neither here nor there when we're at world headquarters, because we're going to fix it all up. So those are the 3 that I have available that I can have done for you by the time spring gets here. So I'll leave our information. Most of you know how to message me, but I'll also leave the email. Get your technology right, Rob. I will leave the email in the description. And if that's something you want to talk about, give me a call and we'll talk about that. Get ready for spring. Camping's coming.